The Public Library Survey can help inform important decisions about the library. The dataset is useful for both benchmarking and trend analysis. Benchmarking is a tool of strategic management that allows you to set goals based on how your library performs in comparison to others. For example, you can use data to see if your library's collection development expenditures are consistent with other libraries serving similarly sized communities. Trend analysis looks for a pattern or trend in performance across years and agencies. For example, you might evaluate how key measures such as library visits, program attendance, or circulation have changed over time. You can look at this information in context. For example, did circulation go up when the library also increased public access hours? Beyond performative data, directors and trustees use the numbers to build a persuasive story about the value of libraries to share with decision makers and vested partners. This information, paired with other data sources and patron use examples, can help demonstrate the library's role in the community. What stories can the data help quantify? A good place to start is brainstorming what matters most to your stakeholders. For example, internet access might be a critical topic. Did you know in fiscal year 2022, Montanans visited the library for 1.5 million Wi-Fi sessions? Over the past 5 years, Wi-Fi sessions have more than doubled. This information was harvested from the PLS. When paired with data from the census about household internet subscriptions and stories from library users, you can start to communicate how the library plays a vital role on a topic your partners care about, such as digital access. Next, we will learn how to navigate the dashboard to find data on circulation, collections, revenue, expenditures, personnel, programs, services, and technology.